Tammy with It's All About the Kitchen with Tammy, and I am coming to you to show you what I'm meal prepping for the week. I am an amateur meal prepper, but I feel like I really have wanted to get into meal prepping more just because it's really tough and we don't have a really busy household anymore. We've got one off to college and one, our son's a senior in high school. So we're really easy when it comes to dinner time. However, that question, what's for dinner? It's just going to be so nice just to be able to meal prep stuff and have it ready to go so that we don't have to be like, okay, ooh, what do we have in the fridge? Our new meal prep system from Pampered Chef is really going to help me organize that sort of stuff in the fridge. So, and it also helps me for lunchtime at work because I often am scrambling looking for a frozen thing that I bought at the store in the freezer, and I really don't like doing that because I want to be able just to head off to work, know I can grab my lunch out of the fridge, and I'm good to go. Because I really don't like to eat out. In fact, I haven't really eaten out at work. It sounds kind of funny, but it's rare that I eat out, and I used to eat out all the time, but we moved buildings in 2009, and ever since we moved to the new building, I don't know what it is. I just don't eat out. I bring my lunch. So, okay, let me get to it. Let me show you our brand new meal prepping system. So I already kind of started cutting, but I will cut some more. But just to show you, this is our cutting board, and it has 2 metal racks, and it comes with 2 containers. And the 2 metal racks right here on the end, the bowl's out, pushes in for easy storage, pulls out when you need to cut. And basically the concept is you're going to be cutting, slicing, dicing, whatever you want to store for meal prep. You're going to do that, and it just goes right in the container. And the cool thing about it is our lids are vented, or come with the option to vent, I should say, so that you can, I'm going to do 1 for peppers and 1 for onions. So the lids come with, so you can vent it if you need to, and if you don't need to, you just push it to the other side. Okay, so I've got a yellow, an orange, and a red pepper. And the reason why I'm cutting all of these, I actually bought a pack at Costco of 6 of them. I think they were $6 or $7 maybe. I felt like that was just a better deal. I like the mini peppers too, but I just ended up getting the big ones. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna be slicing these up. And again, getting back to my purpose of doing peppers and onions is because I'm gonna use some of these for my husband's egg dish. I'm gonna make him some eggs, excuse me, that he'll have for the week, so he can just heat it up in the microwave and go. And then we're gonna have some extra peppers for salad, for maybe a meat dish that I'm gonna make, for whatever you want to do. And I feel like because we're gonna have these ready to go, we're gonna use them. Because I don't know about you, but I've had countless peppers that have gone bad in the fridge because I forgot they were in there. In a bag, all alone, in the fridge, not being used. So, and I really am trying not to be wasteful because I hate throwing food away. Don't like doing that. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep slicing this and then get this pepper done, and then I will show you guys a really kind of, if whoever has the scoop and loop, I will show you, if you have it sitting in your drawer and you're not using it, I will show you how it works. Okay. And the one thing too that's cool about the scoop and loop, it's this black guy right here, is that it gets all the seeds out. Not all of them, I mean there might be 1 or 2 left over, but. And I have the cutting board like this because I am right-handed. Excuse me. My allergies are really bad today. And I was really kind of struggling because I'm like, I don't know which angle I should do my video because I kind of need to not be funky when I'm cutting and trying to push these into the container. Okay, so just to show you for size purposes, This is one big, actually, pretty good size yellow pepper. Okay, so there's that. And then for those of you who have the scoop and loop, this is our, he's black and he's kind of a funky shape. And if you have that in your drawer and you're wondering, what the heck is that? The cool thing about it is you can use this for pumpkins, for peppers, and basically you just stick this in and then you turn it and get the middle part out. If you want to do stuffed peppers, this is perfect because you got a perfect pepper all ready to go. So if you guys have that in your drawer, I believe it's discontinued. So it's not available any longer. And I don't know if you guys do this, but I always like to try to get as much of the pepper as I can without being wasteful. And then what I'm gonna do too, I think with the red one, it doesn't matter to me. We like mixing them up, but I thought it would be kind of fun to do some in strips and then some diced. So, okay, I'm gonna put that to the side, and then I'm gonna show you guys the other part of our meal prepping system is, this is our storage container that goes in the fridge. And it's 3 of the same containers as the ones that come with the prep board. And this is really cool. So if you have our Cool and Serve collection, I'm sorry, that's my grandmother clock. The reason why I kept going is because it's on the hour. It's always longer. Anyway, it comes with 3 containers, and I'm easily distracted. And it comes with the same venting system. This one comes with dividers. So if you have the same vegetable, you want some chopped, some diced, some whole, then you can use the divider for that. But you don't want to put like onions on one side and mushrooms in the other, unless you're going to eat them right away. But for storing, not a good idea. Okay, so it comes with 3, like I said. And if you need to vent, it has a feature to vent the fruit or vegetable, and then, you don't have to do that. And you can store other stuff. It doesn't have to be fruits and vegetables. But like I was getting back to the Cool and Serve collection, if you have our Cool and Serve collection, they're amazing because they keep food cold up to 6 hours. And our storage system has that. So it comes with 2 plastic inserts that you want to keep these in the freezer so that when you're ready to like have your taco bar, burger bar, sweet treat, fun decorating thing, and you want to put some fruit and maybe some yogurt for different things, then you can have your plastic inserts in here. Set it on here. Take the lids off and have this ready to go. The other cool thing is this, it's the same size as it would be like in your fridge for a 12-pack of soda. So this is definitely fridge friendly as far as capacity goes and size. What else was I gonna say about these? I lost my train of thought. Oh, so if you need to store food like in their fridge, like fruit or vegetables, of course you can store it without having to use the base. But it's just an option if you choose to do that. So for example, if you're having taco night and you're on a roll and you've got all the stuff prepped, the great thing about it is that you just take this, put it in the fridge, and when you're ready to eat, you just pull it out. All right, if you guys have any questions about our meal prep system, let me know. Hosting is always a great option, of course, to get this at a very good discounted price. And I'd be happy to answer any questions. And if you're a meal prepper, let me know if this is something that you feel would work for you or benefit you. Because like I said, I'm an amateur and I'm always curious about people who are really good about meal prepping and do it frequently. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks.